Hello and welcome everyone to the Commodity Report for the 31st of March 2023, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. Silver prices are up 13% for March. In the last week, oil prices, they've surged 7%, and we currently have gold trading just under $2,000 per ounce, knocking on the door of the all-time record highs. And the dollar index, of course, has tanked. So with that, yet again, the month of March has provided plenty of opportunities to capitalize on some of the double-digit gains that we've seen on multiple commodities here. Most notably, we continue to keep our exposure on silver, where we entered at $20.10 per ounce, and we've built in some multiple positions on crude oil. Over the last week and a half, we've seen that slingshot move higher here. In fact, over the last week, we've banked over 2,500 points profit on crude oil with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club. So, of course, for every one lot contract that you'll be trading, that's $25,000 of profit. Every 10 lot contract that you'll be trading, that's $250,000 of profit. So, again, go back to last week and the week before. We talked you through the massive opportunities being provided by oil breaking all the way back down towards 15-month lows. As we saw WTI crude oil break down towards $64 per barrel, Brent crude oil breaking back down towards $70 per barrel, ended up being fantastic buy opportunities. We now have Brent crude oil trading just under $79 per barrel. And we, of course, have WTI crude oil trading just under $75 per barrel. So on WTI crude oil, 1,000-point breakout that we've seen to the upside in a week and a half, as many analysts and traders and investors turned very bearish on oil over the last couple of weeks. Just again demonstrating how many traders were wrong-sided on the breakout that we've seen to the upside. Of course, if you've been watching our reports, you would have benefited massively on the 1,000-point move that we've seen over the last week and a half for WTI crude oil. Alongside that, hopefully you're also capitalizing on silver. We're currently in silver long from $20.10 per ounce. That trade is currently up over 350 points profit. In fact, silver is very close to breaking back towards the swing highs at the moment. And of course, we have gold, which is currently trading just under $2,000 per ounce. Now, we did see that regular end of quarter profit taking take place over the course of this week for the metals. So gold essentially dropped 500 points to the downside from $2,000 all the way down to $1,950. However, we've seen support come back in at the 1950 zone. Currently, gold is trading at $1,980 per ounce. But silver has been the star over March. Again, it's surged 14% to the upside so far this month. And again, crude oil also just in the last week and a half has been offering you back-to-back opportunities to build out positions on both WTI crude oil and also Brent crude oil. Now, as we transition into next week, major news items you want to be aware of. First of all, Friday, non-farm payroll next week, and we're going to be moving into the Easter weekend. Alongside that, the beginning of next week, you've got China on public holidays over Monday and Tuesday, and then you have Thursday, Passover as well, the Jewish holidays. So alongside all of the macro-driven opportunities that we're seeing right now, we also have another OPEC meeting on Monday as well, which again is likely going to be another catalyst for big moves in the oil market on Monday. So definitely have the OPEC meeting on your radar as well, alongside Friday's non-farm payroll data. And again, if you've not been making money in the last couple of weeks here on commodities, you absolutely should be. We've been telegraphing it to you. Back-to-back opportunities, everything from silver to WTI crude oil to Brent crude oil to the sell-off that we've seen this week on gold, a 500-point sell-off to the downside. So I congratulate those of you that watch our reports, and you've also been able to benefit massively off the back of our forecast and analysis. And again, this comes down to utilizing a data-driven approach to the market, utilizing research, market intelligence, data, statistics. Alongside that, learning and understanding the daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, real-time data-driven cycles for each commodity. Further compound that with the capital flows in the market, the key areas of liquidity, alongside the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, the macroeconomics, the fundamentals, the geopolitics, and of course, how the hedge funds, money managers, banks, and institutions are positioned in the market. This is going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.